Hi guys, so we're live from Abby's Instagram and let's wait for people to join in. We'll just wait. I'm so excited. I think I see names. I see clicking underscore hand 22 and I see Sheetal Vadvani. Hi guys. Hi everybody. Hi Shifali. Hi Nancy. Hi everybody. Let's just wait for more people to join in. Hi Medha. Hi everybody. Oh god, I'm so excited. I was just waiting for this to happen. Hi Ramya. Hi Nisha. Hi Sheetal. Hi Prachi. Hey, hi. Okay, great. I see a lot of people tuning in. Hi Gunjan. Hi being_foodie. Oh, so you're a food Instagram page. I'm pretty interested to check you out. Hi Sahil. Hi Dhruv. Okay, great. I see quite a lot of people on the screen. Hi Bhanu. Pinkish says looking gorgeous. Thank you so much. Hi Ramya, how are you guys doing? It's 5 p.m. It's chai time for everybody. I hope you guys have your coffee or your chai before this session. Hi Anjali. Hi Lisha. Hi everybody. Gunjan says biggest wish to win. Oh yeah, we have a giveaway guys. Take a screenshot of the live in between and you guys can get a chance to win a power bank. So that's pretty cool. Hi Ruchi. Ruchira, okay. So she says Ruchira is here from Team Abby and she says that please feel free to ask any questions, which is so cool. Hi Ramya. Hi Vinita. Okay, great. I see quite a lot of people on the screen, so I'll just introduce myself a little. I am Renalini and Renalini Dogra. So I'm here as Abby's shopping expert today and I'm going to talk about some interesting products, but let's get started with knowing you guys and what all you guys are doing. And so I'm a content creator. I talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, everything very interesting. And what do you guys do? And are you guys students? Are you guys working? Are you guys in the middle of your office day? Just let me know in the comments. I really want to know. Being Foodie says, yes, I wish to have the power bank and have put in a lot of efforts. Great, perfect. Guys, follow all the rules and just take a screenshot of the live and you can get a chance to win the power bank. Ash says you're adorable. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, Kaju73 says she's a homemaker. Great. Tiring job, oh my god. Muskan Jain says biggest wish to win this power bank. Great. Prachi says office work from home. Okay, great guys. Lovely. Okay, so guys, let's just talk about Abby a little. You guys must be aware about them already since you have tuned in, but I'll give you a brief account of them. So it's a cool platform that talks about beauty products or even fashion or anything in the world, financial related products, everything, and they test it out in front of you guys on a live. I mean, how cool is that? Right? It's not like any other YouTube video that you watch which is just one-sided and you just watch it and you're done. No, it's not like that. They actually explain the product practically in front of you guys and they take up all the questions and everything and you guys get to make a better choice. So yeah. So I see people saying they work from home and travel too. Great. Hi Brahma Design Studio. Hi. Thanks for tuning in. Okay. Great. Okay, so do you guys know what all we're going to talk about? I guess Abby has already told you guys that we are going to talk about jade rollers and about gua shas, right? So I see quite a lot of people excited. Would really love to win for myself. Great. Hi Kabir. Hi Khushi. I'm a housewife. Great Nancy. Okay. Great. Perfect. Okay, so let's just talk about gua sha for a minute, right? So the product that we have is these. People from my Instagram handles have seen it already that we're going to talk about these products. So this one is a jade roller and this one is a gua sha. So we'll get into the details later on. What do you guys like more, gua shas or face rollers? I did a poll on my Instagram handle and people were a fan of jade rollers. So I want to know what do you guys like. Anjali says, hi Mrinalini. Hi Anjali. Hi Sana. I see quite a lot of people on the screen. Great. Okay, so it's me, Jyoti Rani. Please tell me how to pronounce your name. I'm very bad at it. She says jade rollers. Okay, great. Even I love jade rollers. Anjali says jade roller and gua sha. Okay, you like both. Okay. People have mixed opinions about jade rollers and gua shas. Great, great. Jade rollers are quite handy. I know, right? I really like them for being the handy tool. Never use any. Anjali, you have to stay in the live for a longer period because I'm going to explain everything about jade rollers and about how to use them and about gua sha, obviously. Sana says that she uses jade rollers. Great. Perfect. Okay, great then. So let's move on to the product now. Here is the packaging. It comes in a very secure packaging. It doesn't move, if you can see it, right? Great. So let's move on with the gua sha. This is what it looks like. If you guys want a clearer view, here is how it looks like. Kind of fancy, no? Great. Okay, so how do you guys use gua shas? You specifically use serums or face oils to let it glide on very easily, right? What do you guys prefer? I prefer face oils for this. What do you guys prefer, face oils or serums? I want to know because I'll get a better perspective about it. So yeah, this is a jade face roller. There are different types of gua sha. Oh my god, my bad. that's a gua sha. So you can use it for your face, your body, wherever possible. And a very cool fun fact is that it actually came from China. Like, they have a different history altogether. They used to use it for healing purposes, for any scars or any redness on their body, to relieve it, any tensions or anything. They actually used it for that. And now we have come to use it as a beauty tool, right? Now, okay, let's just go to the comments first. What all you guys have to ask? I see quite a lot of texts. I haven't used it yet. Ramya, stay in the live because I'm going to tell you everything about gua shas and about face rollers. Vinita says serums. Okay, great. I would love to try it with serums though. Okay, great. Which do you think is better, face oils or serum, and why? I feel face oils work for me because I have a very dry skin. So it depends on your preferences, that you'll have to try it out and then make out what suits more to you. Muskan says serum. Okay, great. Perfect. So getting back to this gua sha, it's kind of fancy, I know, but it's very, very easy to do, very easy to use. And this one is a concave shaped gua sha. You can actually research on what sort of shapes you want. This one, today we're going to talk about this one. And if you want different types of gua shas, then put it in our feedback form that we have in our link, in the link in our bio. You guys can actually put in your feedback and tell us what all you want us to review, right? So it actually originated from China, used for healing purposes and all of that. It actually is used in different areas of the face to uplift them, right? People are asking, where are you from? I'm from New Delhi. So gua shas are used for making skin tight, reduce wrinkles and get rid of open pores. Yes, Anjali, you got it perfectly right. So it actually is used for lymphatic drainage. Basically, if there is a lot of lymphatic production in your face, it actually makes it puffy. So if you use it in the right directions, it actually makes your face a little more tighter, a little more structured and very contoured, naturally contoured. So yeah, it reduces wrinkles and all of that. Now I'll tell you how to use it, right? Because I see a lot of people talking about different products but not telling how to use them only. And I was so confused about so many products when I was a teenager. So I used to Google a lot and learn ki acha kaise hota and all of that. But I will just give you all the details about gua sha today. So what you have to do is, this side is used for this particular portion, right? And this particular portion, if you see, these ends are used here, just like this. My earrings are getting on in the way. So can oily skin people use it? Any skin types can use this particular product. You guys can very easily use it, and it's very good for all skin types. What is the cost? So this one you're getting on a discount for about 750-ish rupees. You guys can shop for this one from the link in Abby's Instagram bio. So go there and check it out and buy it for yourself, because it's an investment that you're gonna make and it's gonna last you a very long time. So Same, it's been a struggle, Ruchira says. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you. Great. So how do you use it? This particular end here, this end for your jawline, to get that structured jawline and to have that edgy face that we always strive for. Just tell me how many people contour constantly. I want to know, because I am very keen about making my face look very structured and everything. So I want to know how many people are a fan of contouring. Put it in the comments. It's very helpful. Thank you for sharing with us. Thank you, Ashwini. Stay. I will also share about the jade roller. So yeah, moving on to this. Now we will talk about the all sorts of benefits that you can get from this. Now what you do is you actually use a face serum or a face oil, whatever works for you. I will just demonstrate it for you guys so that it's pretty easy for you guys to understand. I'm using this particular face oil. You guys can use any of the face oils or serums, whatever works for your skin and your skin type. So this one is from Nykaa. It's their avocado cold press oil. And I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand to show it to you guys. Here, I'm just putting it like this, rubbing it in. I hope you guys can see me. Just put it in the comments. Can you guys see me properly? And can you guys see the entire process? So here I'm taking the gua sha. You can look at it very closely. How we're going to use it is, this is how you use in your jaw. This particular part is used for your jaw. This is how you go. It glides very easily if you use the right amount of serums and face oils. This is how you use it. Also, there is one pro tip I want to give you guys. I see a lot of people making this mistake. Do not make this mistake. That you use your gua sha, you don't use it like 1 and 2. No. You're going to use it like 1 and coming back to the starting point and again go like this, right? So don't make that mistake. I see a lot of people making it. It's not going to uplift your face, right? So just make sure you start from the starting point and till the end point. If you guys are liking this product already, just go on to Abby's Instagram and they have the link in their bio. You guys can get your hands on it very easily. Okay. Yes, we can see properly. Very useful, worthy product. I agree, it's so worthy. Okay, now moving on to the face rollers. Let's try that now. We'll get back to gua shas if you have any questions. Now this is how a face roller looks like. If you guys can see, if you guys want to see it closely, right? Okay, so this is the bigger end. Obviously, I'm still going to explain the obvious. This is the bigger end and this is the smaller end. I'll just see if we have any questions and then we'll get back to jade rollers. Okay, all right. We have more makeup live stream in store. Yes, we do. Okay, great. I see quite a lot of motivating comments. Thank you so much for joining in. Okay, so how you use it is, I already have the serum, the face oil over here, right? So I'm going to just glide it very easily in front of you. It glides very easily. That's why I see a lot of people liking face rollers. So this is how it glides. You guys can see. Again, if you see, I'm getting back onto the starting point till the end point, then getting back on it, right? So with this particular part, I'll just explain where you can use it, but this also moves just like this. Very easy to apply. Does face roller and gua sha are used for different purpose? Essentially, they are used for similar purposes. That is to uplift your face, to improve your blood circulation. That's very important for a youthful skin, right? So that is why it is used. It can be used for any skin type, any sort of normal, oily combination, whatever sort of skin type you have, you can use gua shas and face rollers. Now, you've seen the application, it moves just like this, right? Very easy to use. Shivpriti says, which one do you prefer? I prefer face rollers. Sometimes I also gravitate towards jade, this gua sha also, but sometimes I just like this because it comes very handy to use. Now why this tiny side is here is very cool, that you have your inner corners right here. You can actually move it like this, right? This is something I've explained on my channel as well. You guys can check it out. I enjoyed the session very much. Okay, I see very cute comments. Thank you so much, guys. If you guys are liking the products already, you guys can shop for these products on Abby's Instagram on their bio. The link is in their bio. It's very easy to get your hands on these, and these are an investment, a very tiny investment that you have to make. So moving on to gua shas. This is what it looks like. Now, how do you spot the right gua sha? Or there are so many fake gua shas in the market, right? Fake every product in the market basically. So how do you spot the right one, right jade, right? So this particular one, if you guys can see, is, please let me know if I'm visible and audible. Yeah. So this particular one is the jade one. There are different stones that come in. It's a natural stone, if I haven't mentioned it already. It's a natural stone, and it is already cool in the room temperature as well. It is slightly cooler, and if you want to use it even on a lesser temperature, basically have the stone a little bit cool to use on your face and to be more relaxing for your tired face, you can actually put it on in the freezer and use it. But I use it just like that, and it actually helps me a lot after an entire long busy day of work. I just take this and put some face oil, massage it in. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The feeling is so good. It's so therapeutic. Okay, I'll just check the comments. Which is your channel? Mine is at Crispy Culture. So yeah, we'll go again with the how to spot a fake gua sha or a jade roller. So the stone has to have some amount of imperfections. If you see very closely, I'll just put it here. If you see it very, very closely, you see tiny swirls and some white imperfections, right? Gua sha is a very natural stone, right? So it has to have some imperfections. Okay, it's not something like very plain and very chic and very polished, but since it is a natural product, it's going to have its own imperfections, and that is what is going to actually help us, right? I see some comments. Gua sha and jade roller are made of unique type of precious stone. I agree, Anjali. This is what is the case. They are made up of natural stones, and they actually work really well for uplifting your face and to reduce wrinkles, to have a youthful skin, all of those things, right? Thank you for clearing all your doubts. Please send me more and more questions if you have any questions related to gua shas or about jade rollers. Now moving on to another point that you have to spot while buying a gua sha or a face roller is that if they are very, very inexpensive, it's a fake one. Simple. If it is a 100-150 rupee priced face roller or a jade gua sha, it is simply fake. They're just trying to sell it out, and why to waste even 100 or 150 bucks when you're getting it for so cheap at Abby's Instagram handle. So if you want to shop these at discounted prices right now, because the live is going on, right after the live also we'll have the discount going on for some time, so you can actually tap on the link in the bio and you can shop for it as soon as possible, right? So these two are a pack of 2, so you will save a lot of money in it as well. Have both of these handy, whatever mood. For example, by the end of the day, if I'm feeling like using gua sha, I use a gua sha. If I'm feeling like using a jade roller, I use a jade roller. So you should have that variety, right? How to keep them clean after use. Okay, so you can actually wash them. Since these are stones, you can wash them with water and then sanitize them and just keep it in clean and dry areas. You can actually and this is very important to use a clean and dry and sanitized makeup or beauty tool or skincare tool, because if you're using a dirty tool, you're actually putting bacteria on your face that will cause a lot of acne, right? Now coming back to acne, a lot of people might be having a doubt that can I use it? I have active acne. Yes, you can, and you should. If you haven't already, please try it already. Because so basically, why Chinese people used these two products, why they used this particular stone, the reason is that these two stones actually help you with healing properties, right? They have healing properties. If you have some sort of area that needs healing, you can actually rub these in the right manner. Obviously, I told you guys that is to use it just like this and getting back and then using it just like this, right? So again, with the face roller, you do it once in the beginning, then going back to the beginning point and moving ahead. If you guys are liking these, you can actually shop these at discounted prices from Abby's Instagram bio. Just tap on the link and it will head you over to wherever you can buy these, right? I'll just see if we have any questions. I see a lot of good comments. Great. Perfect. Okay. So I hope your myth of not using a jade roller or a gua sha if you have pimples is busted, because please go ahead, use it. It will heal your pimples very easily and actually work for a glowing skin, right? Guys, what are you guys actually doing साथ में? I mean, I want to know if you guys are watching the stream solely, because I see quite a lot of people on the screen. My message was not appearing. Can I please see your message again? From where can I buy? Swati, you can actually go on to Abby's Instagram handle, and there is a link in the bio. You can easily shop it from that link. Tap on it and it will take you to the window of wherever you can buy. Do we do this in upward motion or downward motion? Okay, so I'll just show it to you. This side is used if you're using it under your eyes and this particular cheek area. It is used just like this. I'm not going to do it actually by putting oil, but I'm just giving you directions. So you hold it like this and you move it outward, back in the beginning point and going here, right? If you have to use it here, you take it here, pull it, push it upwards. Beginning point, again upwards, right? If you have to use it here on your jawline, take this particular part, pull your face like this and just gently put it here. My earrings are getting in the way. It's going just like this. All right, start from the beginning point. Don't go through a wiping motion. That is not the right way to do it. And if you guys are liking them, please go through Abby's Instagram handle, and they have the link in the what am I saying? They have the link in their bio. You guys can shop for it as soon as possible. Right? If you guys have any questions related to jade rollers or about gua sha, put them in the comments. I will answer them right away. I'm just waiting for the questions. And if you liked any of the products, I would love to know that as well. I loved your products. Thanks a lot. It's really a good product. Thank you so much. Which one do you go for, jade or rose quartz? I personally like jade rollers because they are actually good for uplifting your face, and they have that lymphatic drainage property. So I really like it. That works for my skin. But you guys can research on different types of stones. I think jade works the best for all skin types. So that is something you should invest in. If you guys want to see what it actually looks like, again, you guys can see it here. I would like to see some more questions. To be used for once a day? Yes. Actually, using it 5 minutes every day will actually give you visible results in a shorter period of time, right? So try that out. I think I used it every day for 5 minutes for like 15 days, and I could see slight amount of difference. And in fact, it works as a natural contouring thing. Like just before the makeup, I just put whatever serum I have to put in, and I just use this particular product and push it inwards in my skin. Now another thing why you need these products is that whenever you're using a skincare product, you want it to go beneath your skin, right? So what it does is that it actually pushes the product inwards very gently. It's so soft. If you can see, it's very soft. I hope you guys can see. If you can't, please let me know in the comments. It's very, very soft, very, very firm. You can very safely apply it on your face. So yeah, it gets the skincare product beneath your skin, and yeah, I think that's the main purpose of having skincare products. They should go inside the layers, right? Thank you so much live आने के लिए and amazing tips share करने के लिए. I really enjoyed your live. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, if you guys want to shop these products from Abby, you guys can click on the link in your Abby's bio, and it will take you to a window where you can buy these two in a combo for very cheap prices. Not very cheap, so that they are not the original ones. These are original. If you guys want to see get a clearer view, I'll just show it to you. This is how the jade roller looks like, and this is how the gua sha looks like. Another pro tip is do not let this drop, because the original jade roller or a gua sha will break after dropping, right? So do not drop these because they will break, and if it is a fake one, it will be a marble that won't break. So it doesn't mean that that is the real one. In fact, the one that breaks is the real one. Don't tell me to drop it right now to just show you that if it is the real one or not. This is the real one, but I'm not going to drop it to just check if it is not, because I can see the imperfections as well. 3 pointers to understand by how to spot a fake jade roller or this gua sha is: 1, they should not be extremely cheap. Two, it should have some sorts of imperfections and swirls and whitish stuff in it. They're not uniform. Since they're natural, they're not uniform in all pieces. It will have different imperfections in every different product, right? Another thing is, if it drops and it does not break, it is not a real gua sha, right? So great, guys. If you guys have any questions, please shoot them in the comment section. I would love to know them. And if you guys want to shop it, it's right in Abby's Instagram bio. You guys can shop these products at discounted prices very easily on Abby's Instagram handle. And if you guys want to see new products every now and then, Abby is known for its live streams, and they actually call shopping experts who actually talk about products for you guys and discuss all of it and give you some more researched opinion and answer your questions live. So whatever questions I got, I just answered live. So they get quite a lot of amazing experts on their Instagram handle, and they discuss about each and every product very, very intricately, if that makes sense, right? So there is a feedback form in the link. Go ahead, fill them in. Just let us know if you guys want to see me again. I would love to come here. It was fun for me. So if you guys want to see me more, if you want to see more products, if you want to see any sort of products to review, put them in the feedback form that is in Abby's Instagram bio. And if you have any questions, shoot them in. And also you guys can buy these 2 products from Abby's Instagram bio. There's a link. Let us know what products you'd like to see in the feedback. Yes, agreed. Ruchira says that please let us know what all products you'd like to see in the feedback form. We can make better decisions on creating more and more better informative content for you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for sharing tips. Okay, great. I think, does it have any expiry date? No, I don't think it has an expiry date. It's a natural product. Only if you break it, or if it chips off from your mistake or whatever, if it physically gets damaged, it is not appropriate to use it, but otherwise you can use it. Thanks a lot. I see quite a lot of good things. Okay, great then. Perfect. I am so glad we came live and I had a little chat with you guys. I had so much fun. If you guys have any queries, any questions, shoot them in the comments. We're gonna share the live as well. Shoot them in the DM. And if you guys want to buy these products, here these are. I would just say just buy them right away because they're so useful. I've been using them for quite some time now. And these are suitable for all skin types, for acne, oily, normal, everything. So you guys can shop for it on Abby's Instagram, and they have it in their bio. If you guys want to see more of content from my side or any more new products, so put them in the feedback form that is there in Abby's Instagram bio as well. What's the price for both? It's 700 to 800. You'll have to tap on the link in the bio, Abby's bio, so you can check it out. Thanks. Okay, I can see all the lovely comments. Okay, great. It was an amazing session. I loved it. I don't see any questions, just sweet comments from you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I am so glad we did this. If you have any questions, shoot them in right now. Okay, great. I see quite a lot of good people. Okay, now we're done. So if you want to buy these, go to Abby's Instagram, right? You guys are sorted. Now I'm gonna meet you in the next live session only if you fill the feedback form, right? So if you fill the feedback form, purchase these products from Abby's Instagram handle, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.